Today we're going to show you how to draw a kitchen, starting with a big rectangular frame, some lines, some more rectangles and squares to make our kitchen surface, our kitchen cupboard, our fan extractor, our microwave, and some detail like washing up liquid and tap for the kitchen sink and a window frame. What else will we have in a kitchen? How about a sun? It's a sunny day. And a plant on the windowsill. What next? Ooh, yeah, let's have a shelf for our plates. What a great idea. A coffee machine and a couple of mugs. Our cooker top. Let's have a pot on the stove. And our cooking utensils hanging on the wall. Finishing off our microwave. Let's put some food in it. And our bottom cupboards with oven, some buttons on the oven. Final cupboards, and the handles, of course. Got to be able to open things. And voila! Ready to colour in. Let's go for green. A lovely grassy green. We're colouring in all of our cupboards. Careful not to colour in the handles. We'll do those a different colour at the end. What colour would you decorate your kitchen cupboards? You know what? I really love white, but green looks amazing too. Maybe it could be a glossy green. Right, let's colour in our wall. We're going to do our back wall yellow, carefully colouring around all the details like the cooker tops and the utensils and the pots and pans and the cafetiere. Going around everything carefully. In between our cupboards and above our fan extractor. Let's colour in our window frame now. Dark grey colour. Let's use that dark grey again on our extractor fan. Great. Now we're going to just colour in our oven. A nice dark green this time, sort of olive green. It's great to use different shades of the same colour. Brilliant, and our surface top too. Let's colour in our hand wash. And our tap. Our brown pot for our plant. And a yellow sun, of course. Blue sky, I say. Lovely turquoise blue. It's a beautiful day outside. Let's colour in our plant, and our leaves and stems are going to be green. Lovely. Now for our shelf, that will be brown. It's a wooden shelf. Colouring in pink mugs. And how about a blue cafetiere? Dark blue on the bottom as it's hot and full of coffee. Now we're going to have a grey pot and grey cooker tops. How about some orange cooking utensils? Nice bright colours here and there. Turquoise microwave. Lovely. Pink around the buttons. And our food will be a nice peach. Light blue for the glass. Light grey details for our extractor fan and our oven and the cupboard handles. Keep going over all those little rectangular handles. And there you have it. A gorgeous kitchen. Hi! Today we're going to learn how to draw stairs. So we do these two lines and then a zigzag pattern joining them up. Now we do some long straight lines going across to make our steps. And by keeping it all diagonal like this, we're creating a kind of optical illusion, so it looks like steps that are kind of sticking out at you. So purple for the end. We're using a lovely sparkly paint. And now we're going to do each step a different colour. That will create dimension and really make it look like a step that's sticking right out at you. Blue. If you wanted to, you could choose a colour pattern and just stick to a repeated pattern of 2 or 3 colours, but we like to use a different colour for each step. So we've gone for orange. Now green. So to create this stairs effect, you've got to draw almost like a right angle, but diagonal, sort of slanting downwards towards one corner. And if you keep the whole picture on a diagonal tilt like that, it gives this fantastic illusion. Yellow. Pink. Now let's go for a different shade of blue. 3 different shades of blue in this picture. Brilliant. And now we're going for red. We haven't done red yet. What colour shall we do the top of the stairs? Any guesses? How about emerald green? And there you have it. Beautiful, colourful stairs.
Hi kids, let's make a bedroom today. We will begin with making a big rectangle and another smaller one inside for the bed. Make another rectangle with a blanket on it. Our bed does need legs, doesn't it? We will make 2 pillows for the bed and drawers next to it. You have to draw 2 small rectangles sticking next to the bed and 2 smaller ones for the handle. Let's make a lamp and a vase on top. On the other drawer, let's make a lamp and a coffee mug. We need a picture on top of the bed, don't we? Let's get to it. Our bedroom is ready. Now let's paint it. Paint the mountains. Leaves. And pillows green. Are you having fun? Color the sides of the drawer pink. Yellow for the lamp inside the drawer. A blanket. Hay and the sun. Let's use red to paint the back of our bed. And purple for the rectangle below and the border for our picture. Paint the handles of the drawers and the handle of the lamp blue. We're almost there. Let's use a teal for our coffee mug and the vase. Let's paint the sky and bottom of our bed sky blue. And we're done. That was fun, wasn't it? Hey kids, let's draw the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders in the world. Starting with the minarets, a shorter one too. Now a dome. Now a beautiful big center dome. Repeat it all on the other side too. Wasn't that super easy? Now draw an archway, the windows, four on each side. Now some smaller windows. It's already looking so beautiful, doesn't it? Let's make windows on all the minarets too. Now comes the fun part. Let's color. We will be using white all over. The Taj Mahal is made of lovely white marble. Let's keep going. Wow, it's looking so pretty. Has anyone seen the Taj Mahal in real life? It's really beautiful. Time to add the details. Use a grey color. Draw horizontal lines on all the minarets. Now let's color all the big windows. Fill in the archway too. We're doing a great job! And now, final touches for the big and pretty dome. And done! Here it is, the magnificent Taj Mahal. Hey kids, let's draw a cute little calf in the bathroom. Let's start by drawing our calf's face. And a cute little smile. The spots too. Looks great. Let's draw his arm holding a bottle. And a bathtub for our cute friend. He'll need a brush for his bath to scrub himself nice and clean. And a cute little duck too. Isn't it super cute? Almost done. Let's draw the soap bottles. And his bubble bath bottle. Let's add some details. And now we color in. Let's use yellow for the face. And the duck. The bottles too. Red color for the tongue, the horns, and the brush. Let's use red for the tiny details too. Add some blue now. For the spots, we should use black. Don't you think so? We're almost done, kids. some grey for the bathtub, and blue for the mat. Hey, look! Our bathroom is ready! Hope you had fun! Subscribe and watch more! Chiki